okra.
I don't eat the okra.
You eat it.
Give it to Cassie. Cassie likes okra.
Oh, sweet.
Nandito kami sa labas ng bahay. Naghihintay kami ng binukong taxi kasi pupunta kami ng town center para bumili ng mga ingredients sa lulutuin ko para bukas. Come on.
Let's go Bobby.
No. We're going now. Going to the shop.
I'll take us Eva.
Ito pala yung market na lagi namin pinupuntahan. May ano dito, kumpleto sila. May mga damit, may mga fruits and vegetable, karne, at saka iba't iba pa mga kakainan. Pamili na kami doon sa market. Show the thing. Show the bag. Ito yung pinamili namin, mga gulay. Ayan. Mga fruits and vegetables. Ibili kami ngayon ng sapatos kasi dito kami sa loob ng shopping center. Bibili kami ng sapatos. You ready na ba? Tapos na kaming mamili. Tapos na kaming bumili doon sa market ng mga ingredients at mga kailanganin namin. Kaya nag-bus na kami. Pauwi na kami doon sa bahay. Hindi pala pauwi sa bahay. Diretso kami doon sa aming karinderya. At bukas is magluluto na ng Filipino food. Dahil ang mga anak ko is excited na sila kung anong lulutuin ko bukas. Hello everyone! Kami ang Greek Filipino family na nandito sa United Kingdom. So for today's video is mamayang tanghalian, ay magluluto na naman ako ng Filipino food which is beef giniling again at saka Filipino style na chicken curry. So bago ako magluto is gagala muna kami doon sa playground para yung mga anak ko maglalaro doon saglit, tapos pagbalik ko, mag-start na akong magluto para sa aming tanghalian. And kahapon, nag-grocery kami at bumili ako ng mga ingredients para sa lulutuin ko mamayang tanghalian namin. So, hope you like this video. So, let's watch this! Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
This.
Tidying up? Good girl.
I don't know what Cassie's up to.
Ang pinakamasipag kong anak. Yan, kusa siyang naglinis. Hindi ko yan siya inutusan. Magkusa lang yan siya. Yan, malinis na bahay. Si Philia naglinis. Ayan. Wala nang mga kalat sa sahig. Nilinis na niya. Malaruan ng mga kapatid niya. Ayan.
Coffee. It's gonna come in like a minute.
Gagawa niya ako ng coffee.
Are you very tired? And that's why you need another coffee? Oh.
Dito kami sa likod ng bahay dadaan. Yung mga sinampay ko. Naglabaw kanina. Ayan. Excited na sila pupunta sa playground. Ayan, papunta na kami ngayon sa playground. Ayan. Si Jackie excited. Ayan, si Phyllis pa si
Playground.
Yes. Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
We're going to the playground.
We have this octopus toy, but it's so very cute.
So very cute daw yung octopus toy niya. Slowly, pinanabuhan ka ba? Ulpot ko, ani. Naglaro kami dito sa siso. Yung sa tawag dito, tuya-tuya. Tuya-tuya sa Bisaya. Ano ba yung sa Tagalog? Eh, mahagbong ko. Buang ka, bata ka. Who's not there? You or Cassie?
Cassie, Susie, boy, and you're both out.
You're out. Jackie, you're out.
You are out.
You're out.
No, you're out.
Yawa.
You're
Jackie, na, stop, stop. No, no, no. Don't do that. Uh-oh, Cassie is falling down. Yung cherry, oh, maraming bunga. Ayan, oh, maliliit pa. Daming bunga, oh. Pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami maglaro doon sa playground. Ano na yung mga bata. Punta muna kami doon sa maliit na supermarket na malapit dito. Bibili ng snacks para mamaya.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Today we're gonna walk back home because we are walking back home and we are driving to cookies.
Ayan, ito yung Filipino style chicken curry. Ayan, niluto ko chicken curry. And ang rice namin today is black rice. Ayan, nabili ko kahapon sa Asian store. So may nakita akong black rice, so binili ko kahit mahal. And beef giniling. Ayan. So dati, nung niluto kong beef giniling is ano yun, hindi kompleto sa sahog. Pero this time, kompleto na yan sa sahog. Yung beef giniling. Kompleto yan. And chicken curry. So ito yung ulam namin. Ito yung lunch namin for today. Ayan, yung pagkain namin. Chicken curry, Filipino style. Black rice, beef giniling, at nag-gisa din ako ng okra para sa asawa ko. So, ayan. It's time to eat! Calm down, everybody! Yan, yung plato ni Jackie, nilagyan ko na. Ayaw pa nilang bumaba. Busy sa taas. Kasi! Jackie, come on, time to eat! Call your papa! Si Pilya, ano ginagawa ni Pilya dito? Yan si Pilya. Oh, Pilya, time to eat. Ah, nag-drawing pala siya. What's that?
We're gonna put a mouse.
Si Pilya lang ang bumaba. At si Pilya lang ang kumain. Yung tatlo, bang ginagawa yun sa taas. Do you like the black rice? Do you still like the beef giniling? You ate it once before. You remember when I cooked that before?
Yes.
Yeah, like 4 months ago.
Yes, I love this one a lot.
So
I
try the Filipino chicken curry.
I just want to try this. And then when I finish, when I have more space, actually I do have space.
Okay.
I'm gonna try it.
Nobody wants to eat.
No, not ready yet.
Nobody wants to eat. Okay. Is your papa asleep?
I'm not sure. Here, chicken curry. I'm gonna chop some of it off.
I use chicken breast. All chicken breast on it. Sure, nice.
Tastes good.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, downstairs. It is a tradition to cook rice for 1 week to make it like this. I'm joking.
Rice
Jackie,
only in the morning.
Jackie, your dress is what do you call that filler? Yung baliktad. It's supposed to be that one in the back.
It's backwards.
Jackie, your dress is backwards.
Oh yeah.
Like it doesn't matter. Don't worry.
We have Papa rice.
No, it's black rice.
Here, Jackie.
It's very yummy.
Beside
okay?
Cassie. Si Cassie kumuha siya ng Filipino style chicken curry. Yan, sabaw.
But I want soup with a bun.
Yes, they're already. That's chicken curry.
Oh, soup
No,
with
this
a
to be
bun.
mixed with the rice. This to be mixed with the
Oh,
rice.
soup with a bun.
This to be mixed with the rice.
Uh,
Yan, giniling ang kinuha niya. Kumuha siya ng giniling. Nice!
a soup.
Do you like that chicken curry? That's the proper chicken curry. And black rice. Oh, yummy black rice. The special black rice. Black rice. Black rice.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Ew. See?
That's your favorite piece, Jackie.
That's a worm.
That's a rice. Oh, sa mata. You want okra?
Oh, I didn't see that.
Use your fork.
I want to do those.
Tomorrow, later. Cook pancit later.
You go cook those with cheese.
Later, cook the pancit. The okra for you. May kakagising lang niya.
What?
Jackie. It's some black rice. And the chicken curry. They say I use the turmeric.
I bet this one.
It's good for you,
Very
turmeric.
bad.
Do you like the okra sauce?
No, very bad.
Eat your okra. Stop singing.
I baked this song.
Make a song for the okra song.
Yeah.
Naya, eat your okra na.
Why?
You don't want to eat it? Give it to Cassie.
Okra will die.
The okra will die. Wow.
Yeah. Okra.
My head's breaking.
But I thought okra will die.
Now eat it.
The okra, does that okra die?
It's die already because I cooked it.
Is okra die now?
Eat the chicken curry. Oh, yummy chicken curry. That's the proper chicken curry. The real chicken curry. Nice.
Abracadabra, eat it.
Your food now.
No. Not eating okra.
I don't eat your okra.
You eat it.
Give it to Cassie. Cassie likes okra.
Oh, sweet.
Sure there.
The okra here.
This is not even good.
Mm.
It is amazing.
It's yucky.
I said it's amazing, not good. Just need to make the word better.
What's my okra? Here's your okra. What? Why? What?
Sorry viewers, but I do not like tomatoes at all. I don't even love them. But the rest of them is very yummy.
Yeah.
Eat tomato is good for you. Give you a nice color.
The ginger tastes bad in a good way.
Yeah, but it's healthy, the ginger.
I know, I said it tastes bad in a good way.
Ooh! and there'll be.
Jackie, eat properly. Stop feeding kasi. Don't do that.
Our doctors against that.
Do you like the giniling? Yeah.
What?
Talking to. Si Pilya tsaka yung papa niya tapos na.
What's getting there?
Yeah.
Si Pilya hindi niya inubos yung giniling niya. Yung ano lang pala. Yung carrot tsaka yung tomato, yung kamatis. Dagay ko kasi ng fresh kamatis. Hindi niya kinain. Yummy, yummy. Eat your rice as well. You only eat the giniling. Eat the rice also.
Huh?
Eat the rice.
A seed.
The black rice is very special rice.
A seed.
It's yummy rice.
That's the one. It's a seed.
No, it's not the worm in the sea. Is that rice? Worm in the sea, si mong mata. Yummy, yummy. Eat. Delicious rice.
No.
Delicious. Si delicious. Slowly, slowly. Gustong gusto ni Jackie yung giniling. Sarap na sarap sa giniling.
I gotta eat that fast.
No, eat faster.
Or
Slowly,
is it
slowly.
gonna have hiccups?
You're gonna have hiccups. All day.
What I say? I did
So, yung kaldero, diniretso ko na pala sa lamesa. Yan, oh. Kasi, sobrang liit lang yung lababo namin. Tapos, kapag nahugas ng plato, walang tawag dito. Walang masyadong space yung paglalagyan. Kaya, diniretso ko na lang yung diniretso ko na lang sa lamesa. Maliit lang kasi lababo namin. Pero pag may bisita kami, gaya nung nandito yung kambal ng asawa ko tsaka yung asawa niya, kapag kakain kami, syempre nilalagay ko sa sa mga tray pagkakain kami. Pero kung kami lang, pamilya, yung diretso ko na lang sa yung mga kaldero dito sa lamesa para less hugasan at saka maliit lang space ng lababo namin.
I need to get.
Eating dragon fruit. And I already ate a custard apple. It's yummy.
Kumain siya ng atis tsaka dragon fruit. Yan yung niya, yung parang dessert. Pudding. Si Kasi kumaya.
I need to cut the custard apple. I'm going to cut it. Get a knife.
You don't know how to cut? Get the knife and cut it. Do you like the dragon fruit? Is it sweet, Kasi? It's sweet, Filia.
Kind of sweet. Kind of. Not very. But still yummy.
So do you like dragon fruit? Yeah.
It's just juicy and crispy.
Try the atis. So first time nilang
I've just finished.
yeah. So first time nilang makatikim ng atis. Pero dragon fruit, lagi na yan silang kumakain ng dragon fruit kasi minsan binibilhan ko sila sa Meron din kasi sa market yung tawag dito, dragon fruit. Pero atis, kahapon, doon sa Asian store,
something with the seed.
no. Nung sa Asian store, nakakita ako ng atis kaya bumili ako. So, first time niya kakain ng atis. So, kasi try. Try the custard apple.
What do you bought this pair of fruits again for them? I don't know for them.
No, the custard apple is a nice. It's healthy.
Yeah, how's fruit no good for us?
Do you like the custard apple kasi?
Mm-hmm.
We call it atis in Filipino. Do you like the atis?
Mm-hmm.
What it tastes like?
It's rubbish.
Healthy. It tastes like healthy custard.
It's just weird. It just tastes weird and sweet.
Because it tastes like custard. That's why they called it custard apple.
Mummy,
But we called it atis.
it's custard.
Atis.
Mummy,
Yeah,
it's custard made by
Did you have lots of them in Philippines?
yeah.
Like lots and lots and lots and lots and lots.
It grows everywhere.
I've never seen it
Okay.
in the Philippines.
Huh?
I've never seen it.
This any. Because when we go there, it's not season yet.
Is it? When is the season?
Huh? I don't know. It's like maybe summer, maybe April, May.
I thought you know everything.
I don't know. I don't know the season of the fruits.
No, we don't know. We don't know. You make other videos. Yeah? It's like a monkey.
Biggie.
Di ba alam?
Mummy, stop recording now.
Okay. At ayan, tapos na kaming kumain kanina. So, after 3 hours ng aming lunch, is gagawa ako ng panghimagas namin, ang halo-halo. So, pinaano ko pa talaga, pinalipas pa ng 3 hours bago ko ako gagawa ng halo-halo para naman yung kinain namin is tunaw na. Tapos ngayon, gagawa ako ng halo-halo para sa aming panghimagas. Pero ako lang at saka mga anak ko ang kakain kasi yung asawa ko nandun na sa karinderya namin. At every Sunday is hindi ako pupunta doon sa karinderya namin kasi every Sunday is linis bahay at laba time. So, yan lang yung day na maglilinis ako ng buong bahay namin tsaka maglalaba every Sunday. So, kaya every Sunday is dito lang ako sa bahay tsaka mga anak ko. So, let's start making halo-halo now. Yan na yung halo-halo. So, gumawa ako ng 4. Kasi 4 kami dito. 3 mga anak ko tsaka ako. Yan. Yummy halo-halo. Ayan yung halo-halo. Panghimagas namin. Ayan yung kay Jackie. Ayan yung kay Cassie. Ito naman kay Philia. At saka ito yung sa akin. So, let's eat halo-halo.
The one next to Jackie. You want some? No. You already had some. You had all of it.
You like it, Cassie?
And you?
You miss halo-halo? It's been last summer. We make halo-halo.
How much did you have of that?
For a long time. Jackie, do you like halo-halo? Yummy halo-halo for dessert.
It means mix. You already had all of that.
I'm gonna have a good one, and Cassie's gonna have bad. You go to have.
You're getting the bad ones, Jackie. Sorry. Haha.
No, you. And you're my friend.
For friend, yeah. Hello, friend.
You love me.
Yes, I love you so much. Do you love me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baby, is Felia not your friend?
No.
Is Felia not your friend?
No, she's not my friend.
Just because she had to eat all of my snacks.
I'm related.
No, you're
She's naughty.
Felia's guilty.
She's very naughty.
I like pink.
Yummy halo-halo.
Because blue.
So the last time we ate halo-halo is last summer. What? Yak.
I'm
Naubos ni
finished.
Philia yung halo-halo niya. Pero yummy. He ate it all. Yeah. Naubos niya. Si Jackie naman, yon konti lang. Ang kinain ni Jackie is yung ano lang, yung coconut gel. Yung tawag ito. Yung, ano nga tawag dun? Nakalimutan ko. Nata de coco. Yung nata de coco lang kinain ni Jackie. What's that face?
It's too cold.
Si Cassie yan, malapit na niyang maubos. Si Jackie nata de coco lang at saka yung kaong kinain. Tapos yung ano din. Tapos yung ubi halaya at saka ice cream. Yun lang kinain ni Jackie. Yung ice at saka mangga, yun, naiwan. Hindi niya kinain.
Mama, can I make buko pandan soon?
Okay, next time. I'm gonna make buko pandan. I need to order in the Filipino store the pandan jelly.
Marabik. Salamat.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood sa mga video namin. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga sa pagsuporta nyo sa amin, sa inyong pag-subscribe. Sobrang maraming salamat talaga sa lahat-lahat. And sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe nyo ang channel namin. And please like and share our videos. So thank you so much talaga sa inyong lahat. So see you in the next vlog. See you soon. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say, mwah.